how to contiguous checkbox in Magic Wand tool in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And let's get started. So the Magic Wand tool is a tool used in selecting areas with the same color. And in it, there is an option that the selection is contiguous or not. By default, it's set to be contiguous. What's contiguous selecting is it's just only selecting the same color but while being continuous. So for example, here we have two white color objects. If contiguous is checked and we click here on this object, only this white paper will be selected. But if contiguous is not selected, all the white objects here will be selected. So this paper and also this small clipping paper is going to be selected. Let's do it practical and go to the Magic Wand tool. You can find it under the object selection tool here. You can hold on it or right click on it and then choose the Magic Wand tool. And you can also go to it by clicking on Shift plus W several times until you get to this icon. As you can see, contiguous is checked in here. Let's click here over the paper. As you can see, only the paper in the note is selected. Let's do it again, but uncheck contiguous and click here. As you can see, any white part in the picture is being selected. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.